comes just days after the centre lifted the 58-year-old ban that prevented government employees from associating with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and the activities. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has made some scathing observations against the RSS-linked ban. But despite the order, politics refuses to die down. The State High Court, in scathing remarks, observed that the government employees were banned from joining an internationally renowned organization. It also said that the aspirations of the government employees were diminished in these 5 decades due to the ban, and said that it must be ensured that the organization is not crucified again. The court's remarks, in fact, were made while hearing a petition from the retired central government employee Purushottam Gupta. The court also directed the Department of Personnel and Training and the Home Ministry to display the recent memorandum on their websites prominently. The petitioner has welcomed the order, saying that now the future generation can work towards the progress of the country.
कोर्ट का निर्णय बहुत स्वागत योग्य है और मैं उससे काफी अभिभूत हूँ। और जो 50 साल लग गए उसमें जो हम लोग हमारे सर्विस में रहते हुए समाज सेवा कर सकते थे या राष्ट्र में विपत्ति के समय सेवा कर सकते थे, वो नहीं कर पाए। अब कम से कम आगे भविष्य में सभी कर्मचारी राष्ट्र सेवा में अपना कार्य कर सकेंगे। बहुत अच्छा फैसला है और उच्च न्यायालय का मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उन्होंने 1 साल के अंदर मेरा ये फैसला सुनाया और फैसले से मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
इस ऐतिहासिक जजमेंट में माननीय न्यायालय ने केंद्र सरकार को ये भी डायरेक्शन दिए है अपने आखिरी चरण में कि 15 दिन के अंदर वो अपने सभी विभागीय वेबसाइट पे, पोर्टल पे इस बात की जानकारी प्रेषित करें ताकि आम नागरिकों को ये पता चले कि राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ का प्रतिबंध हट गया है। और दूसरा आदेश उन्होंने ये दिया है कि 15 दिन के भीतर सभी डिपार्टमेंट में आप ये सूचना जाहिर करके सभी अधिकारियों को इस आदेश से अवगत कराएंगे।
Now, citing the court order, the BJP claims vindication, saying that the High Court remarks expose the Congress party's emergency and pseudo-secular mindset, saying that it was ironic that these were the leaders who were waving the constitution in the parliament.
Madhya Pradesh High Court has ruled very decisively that this 1966 ban on Indians who were in government joining the RSS was a complete constitutional violation of the rights of those people, and the court has found this. This is the irony, that these are the people who go waive the constitution without reading even one page of it and pretend to be protectors of the constitution when they are actually the biggest violators. They have trampled on the constitution for not days but for years and decades, and it is now coming out.
Days after the centre has lifted the ban on government employees joining the RSS, the Madhya Pradesh High Court has come down scathingly and heavily on the Congress's emergency mindset, dictatorial mindset, banning the RSS. The High Court has made many scathing observations and findings that there was no evidence based on banning the RSS's joining by government employees, the fact that there was no material on record to show that the RSS should be labeled as a communal organization, the fact that it was done on the basis of whims and fancies of the then central government by an executive order or an OM. The fact is that such bans without evidence are actually only constitutional violation.
Well, despite the court's remarks, the Congress party, though, remains defiant, saying that it is clear that the RSS is part of the BJP and defending the move.
RSS will have to make one point very clear. Does it have a political linkage with BJP or not? What we learn and what we hear and what we see is we are integrally part of each other. Now, if that is correct, what I am saying, then how could it not be a how could it be a non-political organization? So, I don't know in what circumstances the High Court has decided that matter, because High Court didn't decide the matter. I'm sure this will again come back for judicial scrutiny very soon.
मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट की जो इंदौर बेंच का ऑर्डर है उसको चूंकि मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है तो उस पर तो मेरी कोई टिप्पणी नहीं। आरएसएस और कई संगठनों पर इल्जाम लगा था कि उन्होंने वातावरण विषाक्त किया, जहरीला किया। तो सरदार पटेल ने रोक लगाई थी, फिर उसके बाद आरएसएस पे ही रोक लगा दी थी उन्होंने। फिर उसके बाद काफी विचार विमर्श करके आज से काफी पहले इंदिरा जी के समय में ये रोक लगी थी, तो उस समय तो किसी अदालत ने कोई बात नहीं की, कोई अदालत गया नहीं। अब किस आधार पर उन्होंने कहा है, बिना जजमेंट पढ़े हुए मैं उस पर प्रतिक्रिया नहीं दूंगा।
Let's go across to my colleague Govind joining us on the broadcast with the details. Well, Govind, the politics around it continues. The Congress party continuing to defend the move, but the Madhya Pradesh High Court had some scathing observations. Take us through what the court has said.
In fact, you know that a few days ago there was the moral victory for RSS की जो सरकारी कर्मचारी हैं अब वो शाखाओं में अपनी सेवाएं देने के लिए जा सकेंगे, उनकी ड्यूटीज भी लगाई जा सकती है, इस पर कोई आपत्ति नहीं होगी। तो ऐसा केंद्र सरकार की तरफ से आदेश जारी किया गया था और अब हाई कोर्ट इंदौर की बेंच ने रिमार्क किया है क्या 5 दशक लग गए इस गलती को सुधारने में या समझने में। क्या 1966 से लेके इंदिरा गांधी के जमाने में भी ये सब चीजें सामने आई थी और पुरुषोत्तम गुप्ता जो केंद्रीय कर्मचारी थे, रिटायर्ड हैं, अब उन्होंने अपनी याचिका इंदौर हाईकोर्ट में दायर की थी। इंदौर हाईकोर्ट ने उन्हें इस पूरे मामले में जो 2023 में उन्होंने याचिका दायर की थी, तो आरएसएस के लिए एक मोरल विक्ट्री है, तो एक फटकार भी लगाई है। और जो इंदौर हाईकोर्ट है उसने ये भी कहा है, निर्देशित किया है कि तमाम जो डिपार्टमेंट हैं उन्हें सभी को सूचित किया जाए कि अब जो आरएसएस है वो किसी ब्लैकलिस्टेड कैटेगरी में नहीं है। और जिस तरह से जो भ्रांतियां फैलाई गई थी कि ये एंटी नेशनल है या एंटी नेशनल एक्टिविटीज यहाँ पर चलती हैं, ये सब चीजें नहीं हैं। तो ऐसे में इंदौर हाईकोर्ट ने एक फेवरेबल कमेंट आरएसएस के लिए दिया है, जो कि मोरल विक्ट्री आरएसएस के लिए, और पुरुषोत्तम गुप्ता ने ये याचिका 2023 में दाखिल की थी।
Okay, all right. So the politics around it continues. In fact, recently the centre had lifted the ban, and back then as well, the Congress party continued to defend the move, saying there's nothing wrong with the decision that had been taken. And in fact, some of the Congress leaders had also claimed that there would be an infiltration by the RSS workers and those with the ideology within the government system. And the politics around it continues, but the Madhya Pradesh High Court making these scathing observations is extremely crucial, Govind. The Congress party, though, remains unrelenting.
Absolutely, the Congress is definitely doing the politics over it, and it has been Congress has been just politicizing this issue for a long time, for decades. In fact, you know that how BJP just makes the claim and blame on BJP on Congress party that in the era of Indira Gandhi, how the decisions were taken, influencing the things accordingly. So this is what Congress party is also giving its remark over this kind of instructions comes from the High Court, Honorable High Court of Indore bench, in fact. So the politics definitely erupted over this issue since the order was issued by the central government that government employees will be allowed for giving their services in RSS since that time.